Hi everyone and Happy New Year! In today's video, I will show you how I use the diamond layout to plan and create a pattern in Procreate. Let's get started then. First, I'll create the diamond template, and to do that, I will take a canvas of the size 3600 by 3600 pixels at 300 dpi. You can take any canvas size of your choice. Now whatever color you have on your color wheel, just drag and drop it on the canvas. Now tap on the move tool, then tap on rotate 45 degree once, and then tap on fit to canvas. And this is the diamond layout that I will use to create my pattern. So I'll decrease the opacity of the layout first and create a new layer for drawing the motifs. You can right away start drawing the motifs or sketch the motifs first and then move to inking. I'll make a rough sketch first. I will sketch out the branches first, then place the flowers and the leaves. Like I have shown how I use the scallop, ogee or quatrefoil layout, in a similar way I will be using this diamond layout to create a repeating pattern. You can draw anything using this layout like animals, birds, or even abstract shapes. I like using this template because it helps me in creating a very simple pattern as well as a complex intertwined pattern with an interesting layout. After sketching, I'll now move on to inking them. For the brush, I am taking the dry ink brush from the inking section, and for the color palette, I will be using some of the colors from this palette. So first I'll make a new layer for the background, bring it below the sketch, and then I'll drag and drop a color onto this layer. I will then take this dark green color and start drawing the branches. I feel like using complementary colors for this pattern, so I'll change the green to this blue color. If you want to know all the different ways of recoloring an artwork or pattern in Procreate, then do watch this video, which I will link in the description below. Okay, now I'll create another layer and draw the leaves using a lighter blue color. Like I have said before, I will separate the layers by colors. So for each new color that I use, I'll make a new layer. Now that I have drawn the leaves, I'll take an orange color and draw some simple daisy-like flowers. As you can see, some of the leaves are crossing the edges of the diamond layout, which is totally okay because this is a smart way of hiding the layout unless you want the diamond layout to show in your pattern. Now I'll make the sketch layer invisible so that I can correct the mistakes and also add some line details to my motifs. I'll just add some simple details to the leaves and the flowers. I'm done with the inking, and now I'll first group everything except the sketch and the template layer by selecting one layer and swiping right on the others and then tapping on group. Then duplicate the group once and make the original invisible. If you have seen any of the previous videos, then you know that I encourage using the pattern making template, which I have shown in details in this video, because it is a very easy and efficient way of making patterns in Procreate. So do check out the video, which I will link in the description below, to know the exact process if you are seeing this for the first time. So here also I will use the same method to make the pattern, and the pattern is ready. Now to test how the pattern looks, I will swipe downwards with 3 fingers on the screen, then tap on copy all, swipe down again with 3 fingers and tap on paste, and you will get a flattened image of the pattern. Duplicate the layer 3 times. Tap on the first layer, then tap on the move tool and then on this blue dot in the top left corner and type the size that is half of the canvas size. So for me it's 1800 pixels as my canvas size is 3600 pixel. Do this for all the other corners, which is the top right, bottom left and bottom right, like I am doing in the video. And then you can merge all the layers by pinching with 2 fingers. And here you can see how we could easily create a complex looking pattern using the diamond layout. You can make the motifs as simple or as complex as you like, and you can also keep the motifs inside the diamond layout to show the diamond shape if that's what you want. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and thank you for watching. Bye!